everybody, Yarn Fairy here, and
Pixie number 1.
And we're here with no yarn.
You totally psyched me out. I was like, wait, what?
No yarn. Not today. Today.
Well, I mean, we have yarn. It's just out in the front.
Yeah. We're going to make you 2 videos today. Hopefully, we're going to get both of them processed. Today, Barky, we're going to box Outlander for you. And I thought we'd show you what we've got for you. And then later, we're going to be hanging up the yarn. So we can have a bit of a ramble then, too.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're going to talk about. We never know what we're going to talk about. We just start talking.
Yeah. Okay.
And I guess you guys like it because you're still here. So anyway, Outlander. For Outlander, we decided to make boxes. We have boxes. Aren't they cute?
Show the back.
Show the back. Show the back. This is the Clan Campbell
Crest.
Thank you. Oh, yeah, I don't know what it is. Because I was not able to get all those pins for you guys. The wholesaler just didn't come through, so whatever. But they were only $2.50 charged in the kit, so I made something for you to make up for it.
Uh-oh.
I love it. It's a bookmark. It is sort of an Art Nouveau 1920s vibe fairy, sitting on who knows what kind of grass and smoking or tweedledeeing. Tweedledee? Music. Making music. I don't know what kind of pipe she's got, but she's got some kind of pipe. Anyway, it's hand-painted fabric, and then I've painted the moon and her wings, as you can see. And then on the back, I painted the back with bronze and wrote on it. So, and it's got, you know, people, because we don't get to see people now, and we have no ability to see anyone. And
We'll replace them with emojis.
are my people. You must. Wilson! Wilson!
Your own personal Wilson.
What is this? We turn on the video, I swear to you. We've been in here for hours making this junk, and the cat has been quiet and napping.
Sleep. Totally
And
knocked
now-
out.
I hope y'all ain't allergic to cats. That would be just bad. Anyway, we end with hope, which I think is very cool. So, we're going to sit here and ramble
And package.
and package. And I made bags.
She made these. This is cool.
I know. And they're
Sewed
Outlander.
them all up and everything.
And I love them.
And they're cool.
And they have tags.
They have tags. It was so cool. She showed me this thing, and all of a sudden, I look at it, look at the inside. I'm like, there's a tag, like a professional looking tag, you know.
The cone of shame.
She doesn't look very ashamed.
Is she in the video? I think she's in the video.
Yeah,
Anyway.
she is in there. She's right in between us.
So we're gonna pack. What are we gonna talk about? Yes, you need to move.
There we go.
Move.
I took.
You got a box?
Yes, I got a box.
How many things we got? We have a fob. We have a chunky monkey.
We got the necklace and the other necklace.
We have freebies, you guys. I found a whole bunch of more necklaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey! Everybody who bought kit 1 is going to get an extra freebie necklace. For free!
That's what freebie means.
I like my freebies. I like these cute little bags, too. They got deers in them. That's what made them Outlanders. Oh, boy. What a lot of stuff this kit has.
Yeah, I'm kind of like, jeez.
Is it ever going to end?
Look at
Make
it.
it stop.
Oh, look one.
So what have we got? 1, 2, 3.
Well, no. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3. That's what I said.
5, 6, 7.
7.
Wait.
7.
7.
I can count.
Hey!
You know what else we need? We need those braided things. Those
What braided
things.
things?
You know those things. Those braided things. It's so funny. I'll be sitting over there. That's my side of the bed. And I'll have something, and then I'll just go, okay, I'm done with this, and I'll throw it into the corner of the room, and wherever it lands, it lands. But you know what? 9 times out of 10, I can find what I need when I go back. I'm serious! She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Hey, dude.
I'm
What do
not
you
looking
think?
at you like crazy. I know you're crazy.
Look. Mira.
Oh, Check it out,
that's
man.
how we're gonna do that.
Look at that.
Alright, that works.
Yay. That's kind of cool. I like that. Okay. I don't know, but we're cranking now. We're heating
there it
with
is.
gas. That's me.
That came from earlier, man. You can have
Dude.
tactics from earlier.
I'm stuck on that tree. Okay, so
She's reading the weirdest book.
It's called Greenwood, and it's an audiobook that I got from the library, and it's very bizarre. It starts out in 2038, and then it goes back all the way back to like the 1900s and comes forward, and it's crazy. It's crazy. It's all about trees dying and people trying to save them, and how come I only got 6 things? See, this is why we have to count. And I have to still be able to count and talk to you guys at the same time. I am
It's your
multitextual. Well, you're supposed to help me talk.
I never help you talk.
What was
Remember?
I talking about? Oh, yeah.
The
So
Greenwood.
they go from the 2038 all the way back to the 1900s. It goes through an entire saga of the Greenwood family and all their greenwooding things because they are so tree hugger. It's not funny.
Yeah.
From the people who kill all the trees to the people who pour the sugar into the works of the trees. I don't know.
I really want to understand what this sugar thing is that you keep
I
saying.
don't know. She keeps putting a bag, like a 20-pound bag of sugar into the works of the trees. And they got no trees. I don't know. I just work here, man. 6. I always get the necklace. Okay.
Yeah, I forget the bookmark.
So, tell the people what you're reading and watching, dear.
What am I reading and watching?
Shibori, Sabui, Shabani.
What?
I don't know. That thing that Shane gave you for your birthday. And every time I come
Rising
in there,
of the Shield Hero?
you're watching baby movies. Not baby movies either, in English. No, not proper baby movies.
I'm
Gone with your bad self. Gone, tell them.
She means that I'm watching anime and that
Baby
I'm
movies.
reading light novels.
Baby movies. We spent the last 2 days making these boxes, and I don't know, I really like them. I didn't tell you guys. So, probably 15 years ago, I bought this cresty, crowny, ribbony thing from a place, and it was super expensive. It was like $45 for this stamp. And then I bought this queen and the thistle, and I had all the stamp thingies, all the different colors, and just scads of stamps. And I've never really used them. I think I bought this at a Scottish festival with the family one year. And we're talking years.
Ooh, wait, was this like at the Queen Mary?
I don't know. I have no idea. All I know is I've gathered these things for years, and I think it's interesting that finally I use them, and, you know, y'all are getting it. I think it's kind of cool. 7. I did it again. So yeah, I'm head over heels excited about this cow because I think it's just this part. It's just so pretty, and I love making it, and I love putting it together, and I love that I get to give it away. I'm weird. I gathered this stuff for the longest time, and I was so sad that the pins didn't come in. But I hope that my little bookmark will last you longer and treat you well, and that you'll all go out and get the book Greenwood and read it, because dang, it's crazy.
I thought you weren't enjoying the book.
I think, you know, it's taken me like 5 days to get through the 1,000,000 hours of this thing, but it's not bad. I'm starting to think that, you know, I'm like hooked on it or something. I don't know.
Dear.
I know,
You're
right?
just used to it now.
Well, it's become part of my life, that's for sure. See?
Used to it.
Yep. So, you don't have any news because, okay, So instead of telling any news, let's talk about your dummy, your body double. I wanted to talk about your dummy because I really want to make it. I don't know
Mom
that you
found
know
out
that.
that there's a whole thing about you get an old T-shirt, you wrap whoever it is that you want a dummy of in duct tape, turn them into the mummy, and then you carefully cut it off of them and to stuff that duct tape shirt, closing off all the holes, obviously.
Said person needs to be in proper undergarments, like a push-up bra that gets bigums.
Ew!
So that you're not all droopy. Well, you don't have a droopy drawer on you. My goodness, this child. Gravity has not stricken this child. As you can tell, it's stricken me.
This is going up on the internet.
So before I embarrass you, I don't care any further.
Okay.
Further, let's talk about... Okay, so the reason why I've wanted to do this for years, because as my hands have been going downhill, I know that I don't have too much longer that I'm going to be able to, like, function and make stuff. Bless you. And for years, I've wanted to make a knitted skirt in white silk and a bodice fitted to this one with a silk sheath underneath of it. So, like, you would, like, freeform leaves and vines or whatever in knitting in the silk, and then tack it onto the white undercovering. And of course, silk, without being bleached, is kind of a cream color. Is that okay?
Well,
It's cream?
people do all kinds of colors these days. It's kind of ridiculous. Cream, I guess, is okay.
So, yeah, I want to make cream on white is what it would be, because the dresses are all white. And I was thinking we could just get that rayon dress and then tailor it. Anyway, that's the idea. And if she never gets married and I die, she's got it. And she can dye it or give it to someone she loves, or maybe she doesn't get married and has a baby and she gives it to her child. I don't know. Just like this major hardcore heirloom, because she's already got Even Star, which was supposed to be a wedding veil, but evidently wedding veils have gone out and they are outre.
There are still people who wear wedding veils. I mean, I think. Haven't seen any recently, but...
We have a video up where we took Even Star, as a matter of fact. It's a white shawl with loads of beads on it, and we showed you how the different ways of wearing it, and I think we actually had it as a wedding veil. And all of our heirlooms can be made as wedding veils. Some of them are square, but I don't see why a square one would work too, because like you could put the square point on your face, pin it to your head, pin it to your ponytail, pin it to your shoulders, and let it cascade. Anyway, those things drag on the floor if they're made, like, you know.
Yeah, you throw some
Crazy
beads
big.
on that, and all of a sudden, and I'm talking like very fine, little itty bitty beads, and then all of a sudden it's heavier than anything you'd imagine. It's crazy. It'll make your head fall off.
6,
Maybe that's why they don't do veils anymore.
7. We have one too many. The one too many does not get the bag because they didn't pay for it. I took the bags out. They still get that.
Where's
This
the
was
chunky
taken out. What happened to the chunky monkey?
I don't have a chunky monkey.
Ooh,
I
I'm
made
telling.
one. Hey.
I'm telling on you. Did you get this?
Oh, I'll be
You made too many necklaces.
6. Well, I made 14.
You took mine. I tell you what. Put the chunky monkey in there. We'll leave this one open, and then you can make another chunky. This one gets this one too. They're all kit ones, but this one is the most recent kit one.
Okay.
Gee, feels like such a light kit. Well,
What?
I don't know.
Are you crazy?
The
This
first
thing is
one's
great.
paid more, so
Oh, that one you mean.
yeah. This one they didn't. This one they got the bags. So anyway, we intend on doing some knitting. We do intend. We do.
I do believe in fairies.
We
I
do.
I do.
God help me. We have too many of these. Did people buy stitch markers?
That's That's for the just
Good.
stitch markers.
Okay, here's just stitch markers. Give them necklaces.
pretty?
And give them necklaces. We put them in everybody's, but somebody didn't get them. Okay, we're done. Okay, so what else? I guess that's it. Bye! Nice seeing you again. See you later.